Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my whole get up. I know I look crazy, but I just wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible because I've just been having the most difficult time with making videos, getting them edited. Like, things would get deleted and editing would not go through, and it was just too much. So I just want to get this video and stop procrastinating out to you guys. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So I'm here to talk to you guys about monetization and the new YouTube partner program rules that had just recently took place on February 20th. YouTube decided that they were going to demonetize basically people that were 1,000 subscribers or less. That was just because people were hopping on the YouTube trend, or like too many people, and then they were getting, like, people were just, I don't know, putting out bad content. I really don't know, but I just think that a lot of people now are hopping onto the YouTube trend, which is not a bad thing, but you can't get mad at YouTube for doing what they gotta do, because honestly, in my own opinion, we're gonna get into that. Okay, so basically monetization is when YouTube allows you to put ads on your videos on the beginning, middle, or end, or throughout your video, and that just allows you to get paid. When you have ads on your video, that is basically a way that you could get paid from YouTube because you're bringing in traffic. A lot of the times people think that subscribers get you money, but that's not true. That's what I used to think too in the beginning, but until I made my own channel and figured everything out, basically traffic and how much people you bring into your videos that come across your content is what gets paid, is what gets you paid. Demonetization is what YouTube recently did for channels that were 1,000 subscribers or less, such as mine. How I feel about that, I was kind of upset, honestly, when I first heard it, because as a small YouTuber, that does give you a chance to earn a couple of little coins here on the side. But honestly, going into it, I didn't really think I was gonna get paid, and I did end up getting paid 2 times from having my videos monetized. I just think it's fine, but it just sucks. Like, I understand why YouTube did it, but it just sucks at the same time, because I experienced what it felt like to get paid by YouTube, and have had people ask me a couple of questions about the whole payment thing and how it works. So basically, once you are allowed to get monetized by YouTube, you have a threshold. Now the threshold is, you have a threshold to 100, and you have to meet that. So it's not like you're getting a payment of every 2 weeks like a normal job. You have a chance to get your threshold up to 100. Once you reach that threshold and beyond, that is when YouTube sends you your payment. So you can reach that threshold every month or every 2 months, or it's just on you and like how well your videos do. The thing with monetization, or when you monetize, it sets all your videos up. So one video can make $1.09 or 50 cents or $3 or $8. It just depends. But all those videos build up, and that is what gets you to your threshold that you want to get to so that you can get paid. I got my first paycheck when I had about between 400 and 450 subscribers, and that was because I had made a video on this new crochet hair that was like popping, and I guess everyone wanted to know about it. And so all I remember seeing was my views would go up by thousands like every week. I was like, wow. And so the revenue of that video would go up, up, up. And so that is how my threshold eventually got to 100. Now, it wasn't like the next month that I got my second paycheck. No, it was like maybe 3-4 months after that I had gotten another paycheck, and that was just because of a bunch of my videos that I had made by that time were actually doing pretty good. And so that is just like the only downfall, to see that now I don't have any videos making any money until I get to 1,000 subscribers. But that doesn't change the fact of me doing YouTube. That doesn't mean I'm gonna quit YouTube. I don't do it for the money. I personally enjoy making videos and having my own channel to express my creativity. I originally made my channel because so many people would ask me questions about how do I do this, how do I do that, how'd you do that? And so I was like, you know what, I want to make a YouTube channel. And so now that I actually have, it's actually a lot more harder than I thought it was. So I'm just going to keep pushing forward. And I suggest that if you start a YouTube channel or are thinking about it and you want to know how to start a channel fast, there's plenty of videos out there. My suggestion to you is to just keep following trends. Make videos that people want to see, and that will definitely help you out a ton. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I was able to answer any questions. This was just a little short rant to express my feelings about the new YouTuber partner program rules. So, other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.